To enable or disable battery saver on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the battery options right here, and then you can go into power saving and turn on or off power saving for your device. It also allows you to switch between the standard mode, and also you can click on the gear icon next to it to adjust which settings should apply to it. You can go for the maximum and also click on the gear icon. It basically uses all of the settings seen previously for a normal power saving mode, but here also you'll be able to lock specific apps. Basically it will lock all of the apps, and then you can enable any other apps in that mode, which means if we go back we won't be able to use those apps, but we'll be able to add them if you really want to, for example, use YouTube in that power saving. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.